y'all, it's Libby with Gemini Homestead. I'm gonna do something different this time. I was out here working on a project. My daughter gave me a rolling cart for my 50th birthday, so that was 4 years ago. And my intentions was to always restore it, but I wanted to restore it to its original. I didn't want to take away from its character. So what you're about to see is I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding, getting it ready to paint. I'm gonna take y'all through what I do. I'm so excited. I'm finally putting this thing in the proper place because I didn't know where I wanted to use it. Now I do. So nothing like the present. 98 degrees, sweating to death. Might as well do a project. Isn't that what we all want to do at 98 degrees? So I'm gonna get everything set up. I got my safety glasses on, but I won't be wearing a mask. Just telling y'all. Oh, I don't like masks. But anyway, I'm gonna get all this set up, and I'll let you see what else Miss Libby does. Alright, y'all. I've almost got it smooth. I don't know if you can see for the camera. Let's see. See? All I'm trying to do is smooth these rust spots out. The sides are not that bad. I had one here I had to work on, but the sides aren't bad. A little bit more to go.
Where's your respirator at?
And what?
Where's your respirator?
Hanging on the wall.
Well, I guess you think because you're outside it's all right. You ain't supposed to be breathing that stuff.
This is Lippy's workstation. You go to your own workstation. Y'all see this? This is what I deal with. No, don't send me no hate mail asking me where that mask is. I don't like wearing them. Now, if we had some kind of chemical something going on, I might would consider. But so y'all don't send me no hate mail. Lippy can't work with nothing on her face. Let's get back to work. All right, y'all. Told you it wouldn't take too long. This is the bottom. Let me show y'all. This was full of rust. If you can see for the sun, I had to bring it down. The underneath, I'm not going to do a whole lot to it. The underneath, I'm going to touch it up, but it's so old and the metal's fragile, I don't want it to split. Because it's not going to be used for a lot of things, mainly just in the kitchen and just serving and just mainly as a display. Now I got to work on these legs. Let me show you these legs. That's going to wear me down right there. They look little, but they're going to be tricky. So, I'll get started on that and let's see what happens on it. Alright, y'all, we're on the legs. Y'all see I got safety glasses on this time because what I'm using. I wasn't too concerned with this little sander. This, you definitely need to be safe. Okay, here we go. It's coming along, y'all. I've already got 2 done. I got this one and another one to do. Won't be long, we'll get ready to paint. Alright, y'all, we're at the next step. I don't know how y'all paint. This is how Lippy paints. I have to go way away from the house. Buddy don't trust me. I don't trust myself. But we're going to get the top and the bottom painted. And I got it sitting up. Of course, y'all need it sitting up on a ledge. Don't do like I did years ago and paint directly on the ground. Yeah, it's cold, it'll get stuck. So I'm going to get this painted, and we're going to move to the legs, and they're going to be white. So here we go. Okay, y'all, we are done. And I figured somebody may ask, this is lemongrass. I love the color of lemongrass. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but I will when I get it all complete. I'm going to take a picture of it in the shade. But I love the color of lemongrass. But here you go, we're going to let this dry. It shouldn't take long. Boy, it's hot out here. And then we'll move to the brace bars. I am so excited this is finally happening. I have put it off and put it off. Can't put it off now. Whew. It is hot out here, y'all. We're fixing to do those legs. I'm using a satin ivory silk. Now there's a difference between ivory and ivory silk. It's basically going to be just an off-white. I just don't think, even though this looks white, I just don't think it would do justice on me trying to get it to the original look. Plus, anytime I can get off of true white, I'm going to lean towards that. So here we go. Wind and all. Wind was coming out of the west, now the wind's coming out of the south. So I'm far enough away from the house and the wood shop, so I ought to be okay. We're going to see how. I may have to stop if the wind keeps picking up. Now y'all see I'm moving forward. The other side I will come back. And the key to running a painting can, don't hold on one spot. You want to constantly make a fan. You want to make a smooth movement. If not, you're going to get bubbles. That's just inevitable. Now this is gonna take a few coats. All right, I'm gonna move around to the other side. Looks good to me, y'all. Now, we're gonna let this dry. Woo! Look at that. Tell y'all what, if we don't get some rain, I don't know what we're gonna do. Literally, it's hot. But we're gonna let this dry really good and we're gonna piece it back together. I'm pleased with this. Y'all saw in the first clip what it looked like 4 years ago, and it had a cake plate on top of it. That was another birthday gift. I use it all the time. So you saw Miss Lippy do a DIY project. Tell you what, me and spray paint, we have a ball. But here it is, y'all. I'm very pleased. The wheels still do good, but I'm gonna have to get new ones. There's no way to clean them up. They're rusty, and I don't know. But I'm not really concerned about it. Maybe that's just character. I hope you enjoyed this short video. And until next time, God bless.